Well, hello there. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. Thanks for joining me today for Margarete Miller's Collage Challenge Week number 45. I have to have fire and smoke. So, I have this picture that was taken from National Geographic and something with a spine. I have these books, and that is also my something that starts with a B. Something royal is the Queen, the young Queen Elizabeth, and a famous city is Shanghai. But what I was thinking I might do is add the fire and smoke to the bottom of this, and to be part of the background. Let's see how that would look. I'm not sure. I mean, it's the only picture I have of fire. I suppose I could look for a candle, and that might be a better choice. I don't know. Oh, I wonder. Sometimes these things have like little candles on them, but this one doesn't. So I was thinking of maybe, I don't know, if it would look better at the top, but then you can't really see the city. Fire and smoke. Maybe I'll just put it around her. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I think I'm going to try to look for a candle. I think I was not filming. Anyway, this is my finished collage. I've got the fire and smoke down here. We've got something with a spine and starts with B are the books. Something royal is Queen Elizabeth. And the famous city is Shanghai. And we are not using the bonus. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm curious to what you think about this collage. And let me know in the comments below. And we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.